In today's video, I am going to teach you how to set up subscription plans and recurring payments in Stripe. Once you are in the dashboard, go to the left-hand sidebar and click Product Catalog. From there, click Create Product to begin setting up your subscription plan. Enter a clear and recognizable name for the subscription. This helps you stay organized and makes it easier to identify the plan later. If needed, add a description to explain what is included in the subscription. This can be useful if you offer different service levels or plan types. Next, move to the pricing section and choose Recurring. This tells Stripe that the product will be billed on an ongoing basis instead of as a one-time payment. Enter the amount you want to charge for the subscription, then select the correct currency for your customers. For example, you can set the plan to bill monthly or yearly, depending on how you want to structure the subscription. If Stripe shows any additional pricing options, configure those based on your needs. Take a moment to review the main details before saving. Check the product name, the recurring price, and the billing period to make sure everything is correct. When you are ready, click Add Product or Create Product to save the subscription plan. If you want to offer more than one subscription option, such as Basic and Premium, repeat the same process to create those additional plans or recurring prices. Select the subscription product and the recurring price you just created. Stripe will then let you review and configure the checkout settings for that subscription. When everything looks right, click Create Link to generate the checkout link. You can then copy that payment link and share it wherever your customers are most likely to use it, such as on your website, in an email, or through social media. When a customer completes the checkout process, Stripe automatically creates the subscription and charges them based on the billing interval you selected. To keep track of your recurring customers, open the Subscriptions section in the Stripe dashboard. There you can view and manage your active subscriptions and monitor recurring billing activity. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.